Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am trying out a skin tint by Makeup Forever for you guys today, and I'm going to be doing a wear test and checking in throughout the day to let you guys know whether this foundation or tint, it's a tint, is actually good or not. This says it's an Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen SPF 25. So let's go ahead and just get to that video and see how this looks on the skin. So I have the skin tint here. This is obviously the mini size in color 06. So I know it says skin tint, but that actually looks like a foundation. And it's not super runny. You guys can see that right there. I'll show you guys, that looks like a foundation. Go ahead and just put it on the skin. I'm using a brush today. So you can see all the freckles in my skin. You can see the redness in my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and just cover half of my face. Let's go ahead and see what it does. Okay guys, so that's half of my face. What do you guys think? I'm looking in the mirror right here. God honest truth is that it looks really good on the skin, but it looks like a very lightweight foundation. You guys can see it covered up all my redness, and it kind of covered up a little bit of my freckles. You guys can see I have sporadic freckles, especially within my nose area, and you don't see them. You do see them, but you don't see them as much. So honestly, I've tried skin tints before. To me, this does look like my skin because it is a very lightweight formula. I think this is just a very lightweight foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup and check in throughout the day. I am working today, so I will be on the road and outside, so we're really gonna put this tint to the test. Okay guys, so this is about 3 hours later. I did start producing a lot of oils, and I kind of just went like this a little bit to kind of absorb those oils onto my hand, since this is one of the driest parts of your body. And I can do that. I can do this with other foundations and other skin tints, and normally they do fine because this is very dry. So you can use the back of your hand and just press it in. Don't rub it, just press it in, and it will absorb some of the oils. But when I did that, the foundation made like a pattern on my nose, and it removed, or the skin tint, sorry, and it removed some of the product from my nose. So I'm actually gonna say this has just been about 3 hours later, and for me to barely had touched it like that once, and for it to come off, I'm gonna give this product a thumbs down. I'm just not impressed with Makeup Forever. For some reason lately I've been having bad luck with most of their products. So I don't know, you guys let me know, have you tried this? Did you like it? Because obviously it did not work for my skin. I do have oily skin. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review, even though it's a bad review. And I hope you give this review at least a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.